Now, we've heard these remarks by various Bollywood stars. The palpability of the call for justice comes across. There's a lot of emotion also. Now, we have a lot of anger as well, and we've got our reporters from cities across India. We have Mohit Bhatt, Sabyasachi, Jayalakshmi, Govind, and also Shrishti joining us from Mumbai, Thiruvananthapuram, New Delhi, Bhopal, and Chennai. We'll go across to Mohit first. Mohit, do take us through what's happening at the hospital where you are currently stationed. You've been speaking to some of the students, I believe, and the doctors as well. What is their plan? What is their demand?
Well, yes, in fact, Ankit, we are reporting right now from RML, and anger is across the country where the doctors are clearly protesting, and not just the doctors, but every single person in this country is angry, is anguished over this horrific incident that has taken place. But the doctor fraternity specifically, they are protesting at various corners of the country, saying that if doctors are not safe at their workplace, if hospitals are not safe, given the fact that how the vandalism has taken place 2 days ago at the Arjikar hospital, they say that despite that particular incident of the doctor being raped, no lessons are being learnt, and that is why they are sitting on dharna over here. And today the nursing staff, the consultants have also joined the resident doctors over here. Let's talk to them and ask them that what exactly they have to say on this. Sir, today we see that senior doctors have also joined in. What exactly is the message that you want to give?
Actually, the event, the rape incident which has happened, it is very shameful, and our women are not safe at their workplaces. They are working during day and night, but their safety is at the stake. And all the issue is that all the women who are working in the night time or in the daytime at the workplace should feel safe. And there should be some arrangement, some sort of unit.
That's a message, Ankit, over here, that there has to be certain guidelines that women are safe at their workplace. You can see that how the banners, they are holding various placards, banners, ab here karti theek pukar, fir bhi chup kyun hai sarkar. The anger is also against the Mamata Banerjee's government. Ma'am, you all are protesting over here today. We see that how the nursing staff...
Thank you for that. We'll be going across to Bhopal now. Govind is in Bhopal with us, and Govind, I believe there are protests there also. We've seen on a number of topics on this specific case, on the overall topic of women's safety, on safety for doctors. Do tell us what the protesters are demanding over there. What are their concerns also?
Yeah, absolutely. You know that the outrage is intensifying all across the nation and in different cities. The protest is continuing from Delhi to West Bengal, and so in Bhopal also. Just gate number 3, AIIMS, in fact, I'm reporting from, where you see 600 resident doctors and medical students are on the strike for last 5 days. Definitely the OPD services are being affected, and senior doctors and nursing staff is just maintaining their services there in the emergency department. But here you see across me, these are the 600 medical students and resident doctors who are on the strike for last 5 days. They're just demanding for their specific security. They're just having the specific demands, and they're saying that they want the justice, and they are saying that hatyare ko phansi do, phansi do. So absolutely whatever the action has been taken so far, that is not satisfactory one for the nation. That's why these protests continuing, and many dignitaries are joining this kind of protest across the nation. We would definitely interact them. क्या आप लोगों की डिमांड है? क्या जस्टिस अभी भी नहीं हुआ है बंगाल वाली घटना में?
हमारी डिमांड जो थी वही है, पर जो कल हादसा हुआ है उसके बाद हम चाहते हैं कि जल्द से जल्द जो भी दोषी है उसे सजा दी जाए, और एक ऐसा कानून बने कि कल से आगे से कोई भी देश की बेटी के ऊपर कुछ भी गलत काम करे उसके पहले उसको सोचे समझे 10 बार. हम चाहते फांसी दी जाए हत्यारे को.
They are demanding for phansi, in fact, and they're saying that there should be some strict and specific rule or regulations and laws should be strict in these kind of cases where the brutality is being used against the on-duty doctors and women all across the nation. So that is an instance from West Bengal where a lady doctor was not only only raped, but also she was murdered brutally, and that is why all across the nation the anger is intensifying, outrage is being intensifying, and protests are continuing all across the nation. So in Bhopal also at AIIMS.
Most definitely. From the AIIMS in Bhopal, Govind reporting for us, and the protesters' demand is clear. You can hear it through his mic also. They want capital punishment for the rapist. Now, we'll be going across to Shrishti next. Shrishti is in Mumbai, and in India's financial capital as well. We've seen protesters make various demands. Today, what is the protest about specifically, Shrishti? If you can take us through that also. Of course, it is over the RG Kar hospital issue, but we've seen also for a general protest for safety for women doctors also coming across loud and clear. Over to you. Tell us what's happening in Mumbai.
Well, of course, right now where we are present is at Nair Hospital, and a mega protest is organized by the resident doctors, the nurses, the interns. Everybody is protesting for their safety and their security. That should be the paramount for the central government as well as the state government, is what their exact demand. But remember, Ankit, we have seen, the entire nation has seen Aruna Shanbag's case, wherein she was molested, raped brutally at KM Hospital, and then she was in coma for 42 years. Still, nothing has changed, is what we can understand by the condition which we are looking at in the entire country. The way girls are molested, raped, that is absolutely heinous and serious. However, here right now where we are present, the protest is going on, a mega protest by interns, by resident doctors. They are the saviors. However, now they have to hit the streets for their safety. Ma'am, what exactly is your demand? What exactly you are trying to tell the entire system and the government?
हम जो हमारे हॉस्पिटल में इंटर्न्स होते हैं, रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स होते हैं, नर्सेस होते हैं, ये नाइट ड्यूटी करते हैं, रात भर शिफ्ट करते हैं, उनके लिए ऑलरेडी बहुत डिफिकल्टीज होती है एक मेडिकल लाइफ में आने के बाद. और अगर ये इंसिडेंट के बाद अगर हम जस्टिस नहीं दिला पाए तो आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी फीमेल, मेडिकल कम्युनिटी की कोई भी फीमेल हो, डॉक्टर हो, इंटर्न हो या नर्स हो, इसके बाद नाइट ड्यूटी करते वक्त वो सेफ फील नहीं करेगी और ना ही उसको कम्युनिटी में सर्व करने की इच्छा होगी. अगर आज हम ये जस्टिस नहीं दे पाए तो वी हैव फेल्ड एज अ सोसाइटी.
Ma'am, what exactly you want to tell while you are traveling from one department to another department as you're working at late night shifts? Do you feel safe? What exactly is the situation at night? What exactly you feel?
Before this situation, we used to be very free to go around, but after this, at night duties, it's all pitch black. There are no people around, and now we'll fear for our lives. We'll always look around our shoulder to see, is somebody following us? Are we really safe here? Because for this we need a Central Protection Act for all the doctors, not just doctors, for all the healthcare workers, because all of us are working day and night, and this sends a very bad precedent for the younger generation who wants to get into the medical community, because what example are we setting for them here?
Well, of course, sir, what exactly are your demands? You have been raising slogans. There has been a protest organized at 1 o'clock at Azad Maidan. Also, massive protest is also organized. What exactly are your demands from the central government? Also, you met CM Eknath Shinde yesterday.
कल हम सीएम साहब से कल मुलाकात हुई. सीएम साहब ने हमें आश्वस्त किया होम मिनिस्ट्री और हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री से बात करेंगे और हमने जो कोलकाता में घटना हुई.
Protesters there in Mumbai, they're telling us what their demands are. Shrishti reporting from the financial capital. Now, we'll be going across to Sabyasachi next. Sabyasachi, you're in Kolkata, the RG Kar hospital, I believe. What is happening there? Because that is really the epicenter of everything we're witnessing. And it was also the location of a mob attack and rampant vandalism. So take us through what's happening over there. What is the state of mind of the doctors over there? Because they've been through so much.
Well, absolutely. See, straight away show you the visuals out here. See, the doctors are yet to come out here, but clearly the RG Kar hospital still bears the brunt of the protest that it had seen. I'll request my camera person just to pan around and show that barricades are still in place, and the shops which has been vandalized, the shops which were inside the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital has been vandalized. You can see on your screen, and in front of that is the emergency ward where the violence took place. So clearly at this particular point, point, the students are yet to come to carry out their agitation here at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Meanwhile, on the other side, there is a massive political deployment that could be seen in the state of West Bengal. The BJP has planned one after another protests throughout the day. First, there would be a sit-in dharna by the BJP leaders at Sham Bazar metro station, which is just a few kilometers away from here. After that, at around 5 to 5:30 p.m., there would be a candle march by the BJP Mahila Morcha towards the CM's residence. Now, the BJP have been demanding the resignation of CM Mamata Banerjee over the RG Kar incident, demanding that the CM should resign immediately as a law and order situation in the state of West Bengal has completely failed. We are seeing that allegation and counter-allegation are continuously taking place, whereas Mamata Banerjee has entirely put the blame on the left and the BJP for the violence that has taken place here at RG Kar Hospital. 19 people so far have been arrested by the Kolkata police. The Kolkata police is still hunting the other people who were behind this violence that took place at RG Kar Hospital. Meanwhile, the barricades are in place, though it is raining. Meanwhile, a few minutes back, there was heavy deployment
of... Getting you more updates, Sabyasachi. Thank you for that. Our reporters are across the cities of India covering these big protests by the doctors. I thank Shrishti, Mohit, Govind, Jayalakshmi, Sabyasachi and Dharani for joining us, and I ask them to remain as well. Viewers will be coming back with more updates as well as from other stories also. Stay with us.